segment we're going to cover cleaning and removal of the lens cover and light bulb assembly for the trunk light. The trunk light in this application is mounted up underneath the back portion of the trunk lid. And once again, we're going to inspect for screws. I don't see any screws holding the cover on. So we'll use a flat tip screwdriver, and there's a visible slot for prying, and we'll just slide it in there and just gently pry it down. Once again, working our way around the light and removing the cover. And as you can see, this lens cover mounts on the underside on the roof, so it contains a lot more dust than the other light covers. In order to clean it, we'll just spray it down with some interior window cleaner, both sides. Wipe it down with a good cloth towel, once again avoiding any paper products as they will scratch the lenses. Clean the interior grooves thoroughly. Just gently wipe the whole cover down and remove all the dust and dirt. And that will do for cleaning the cover assembly. Please watch our next segment on cleaning a light bulb assembly for a trunk light.